Welcome to FCI's introduction of our 1.25mm wire-to-board product family, which we introduced to the market during the first half year of 2011. The purpose of this introduction is to provide with initial information about FCI's product range, markets, and applications, and where you can find the detailed information on the FCI website. FCI is well known for its extensive product portfolio of board-to-board and wire-to-board modular systems on a 2.54mm and 2.00mm contact pitch, branded under the Basics Plus umbrella. Those products are used in a very broad range of markets and applications. A major trend in all those markets and applications is miniaturization, and hence, the need for smaller pitch products. In 2010, FCI added the Minitech 127 product portfolio to the range. And now, in 2011, we have added the 1.25mm wire-to-board product family to the overall product range, making this total portfolio one of the most extensive in the industry. All relevant product information can be found on the dedicated microsite www.fciconnect.com/board wire systems. Also note that, on this microsite, you can instantly cross-reference competitive brands to FCI equivalent parts. The main features of FCI's 1.25mm wire-to-board system are, the connectors can withstand a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius for 96 hours, so ideal for demanding applications. Products are available in gold flash or matte and contact plating, and with straight and vertical housings, surface mount and through mount termination styles. The LCP plastic used in the header meets HF requirement, and all connector housings are UL approved, and meets IEC 60695-2 glowing or hot wire test. All features and benefits can be found on the data sheet, which can be found on the dedicated 1.25mm landing page, www.fciconnect.com/WTB125. The overall connector system is easy to comprehend, and consists of headers, housings, and contacts, in vertical, and right angle, or horizontal configurations. There are two termination styles available: VO mount and surface mount. The part numbering system is easy to follow, and a build-up of all the product attributes. For instance, part number 1011489-10110LF is a vertical through-hole header, made from LCP, with gold flash terminals in a tape and reel packaging, with 10 contacts in a lead-free configuration. There are many applications where 1.25mm wire-to-board products are used. They are used in the ticketing of vending POS machines. They find application in control board, thermal printer, LCD controller, money counter, barcode scanner, terminals, handheld, parking meters, and RFID module. You will also find 1.25mm wire-to-board connectors in industrial control sensors, actuators, LCD controller, handhelds, motion controller, scales, HMI, and RFID module. Inside a small motor or a robot control, you are very likely to find an FCI 1.25mm connector in the controllers and drives. And when it comes to security, you will find them in the card reader, fingerprint module, CCTV, control board, iScan camera, thermal printer, battery packs, sensors, access module, and RFID module. In small motor and robot control. In handhelds. For more detailed information of FCI's 1.25mm wire-to-board system, please visit the dedicated landing page at www.fciconnect.com/WTB125.